I started taking this HydraSlim, I was so bloated. I was 45 pounds overweight.
I was always looking for that snack in the afternoon to give me that sugar boost.
I used to feel really tired, bloated and sluggish.
Hardest part? Definitely the lack of energy.
I've tried lots and lots of diets.
My skin was getting dull. My metabolism slowed down.
I've tried probably every slimming thing on the market.
I used to get really sore bellies, major cramps, and they could last days.
I was overweight, bloated, and tired, and I couldn't find anything to help me.
Real people just like you are looking for a natural and simple solution to reach or maintain healthy weight. It needed to be portable, something we could enjoy all day, and easy to use. Packed full of superfruits and natural ingredients, HydraSlim can be enjoyed warm or cold, as a tea or a sport drink. So it's easy to use, but how does it work? 21 amazing ingredients packed inside just one bottle. The ingredients in HydraSlim have all been carefully selected to provide the product we believe people are looking for. So far, it seems a lot of them agree.
Since I started taking 10 milliliters of this each day, I just pour it in my glass of water and I sip it throughout the day. My metabolism is boosted. I have so much more energy.
Since drinking HydraSlim, I'm not bloated at all.
Keeps away those love handles.
HydraSlim for me tastes just like apple juice. I've lost well over a stone.
I love HydraSlim. It makes me have a flat tummy effect. It gets rid of that uncomfortable bloated feeling I have after I've eaten a meal, and it keeps it away all day. It's brilliant.
I hate downing anything awful. But with HydraSlim, I get to dilute it in the water, sip it throughout the day, and the taste, I actually enjoy it.
I just love my HydraSlim and I hate to be without it. So even when I'm on holiday, I had to make sure that I brought the bottle with me. Just love it.
I found that I am less tired, less bloated, and certainly less sluggish.
Love HydraSlim, it's helped me loads with my energy. Love it!
It's really easy to take. It tastes just like a herbal juice drink and it's helped me keep the weight off. It's helped me detox. It's just fantastic.
Can't recommend it enough.
I'm very thankful for HydraSlim.
Favourite thing is it gives me energy to keep up with the kids.
This is my miracle juice in a bottle.